Well, I didn't think that was going to happen, but I guess it did. Happy days. Hey there, Tom the English Speaker here, back with another quick video on my Amazon saga. If you didn't catch the last couple of videos, I run a small business that sells on Amazon, and I managed to get suspended for the most silly reasons, and probably was likely due to me exposing scams on the Amazon platform. But I've got a quick update about that, and that is that this happened. So yeah, I managed to get verified, so I'm actually back on Amazon, and what that means is that they can finally pay me all the money that they owed me. Now the plan is still to scale back Amazon to a level where I have only really got long tail items on there, books that aren't on eBay, super long tail stuff, because I won't be paying listing fees. I'll still be paying a shop subscription every month, so I've got to get that balance together, but the general mainstream stuff that will get return loads, I'm going to get rid of, and I'm going to try and get down to where my small business income is about 20% Amazon, and then the rest eBay and other platforms. Ever increasingly it's becoming Vinted as well. So yeah, that's the update. I applied with multiple documents. They were not accepting anything, and then I randomly tried it today with 2 documents that I previously had submitted, and it worked. So I obviously got the right representative, or the bot was functioning that day for whatever reason, and yeah, it worked. So just keep trying. I was starting to worry actually that I was just going to be out of luck. Time was ticking down, and they take my money and all my items that were the FBA as well. That's the other worry. So we're back to the normal scheduled videos. No more moaning for Amazon for a bit, but if you do want to hear about more moaning about Amazon, click on this video here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.